Damn. Yeah.
Entertaining 3,000 people right now. What's another dad joke?
Okay, ready?
Mm-hmm.
It smells like up dog in here.
What's up, dog?
Hey, I got a rumor about butter.
Okay. What's the rumor about butter?
Actually, I shouldn't spread it. And if you're wondering where I get these, yeah, I get it from my Scotland coach and mom and self.
So you gotta speak in your accent.
Hey, Mott, what are you doing today? No, I think actually my PE teacher, like, he's little Scotland.
Your PE teacher's from Scotland.
Yeah.
Okay, Owen. Y'all, this is Owen. Make sure y'all subscribe to Cool Kids. Crazy Kids.
Crazy Kids.
Crazy Kids.
But I haven't started it yet, so if you're looking for it, don't try.
Do you want to show them what our cookie dough look like?
Yeah.
Okay, look, you guys. So this is
how horrible it is.
It smells good though. It's true.
Wait, I gotta get my helmet on.
And
What?
I don't think we did a good job.
Me either. I don't think we did.
I thought it caught on fire, but that's the I got scared. Okay.
If it caught on fire, I'm gonna go like this.
You said you were going to spit on the fire. Y'all, I said if the kitchen's on fire, what are you going to do, Owen? Owen said he's going to spit on it.
I'm gonna get this if it gets on fire.
Not vinegar. Jesus.
It's a type of liquid. Shouldn't it go out?
You say what?
It's a type of liquid. Shouldn't it go out?
No.
Oh,
That would be a gas fire. If you throw water on fire, this will blow the house up.
Okay, I'll go like this.
Oh my God. All right, you guys, we're going to be back. Look for our video on YouTube. Say bye.
And, nighttime. There you go.
Okay. Well, you guys, we will be back. I hope we did a good job. We're going to tell you how it tastes. We're not going to eat it. We're going to give it to our 3 taste testers. Who's that? Mom, Dad, and brother.
And me.
They're our taste testers.
Don't tell them.
Okay, we're not going to tell.
Yeah, it's mine.
Okay.
I'm not gonna leave it anything. Like 10 pieces.
10 pieces.
But we have to cut it before we do it.
Okay, awesome. Okay.
Look, I know we'll cut it with.
Okay, you guys, we're going to be back. We'll be back. They said, how did you meet Owen? Me and his mom used to work together, and she's freaking awesome. Okay, you ready? We gotta say bye. Bye. We'll be back. See you later.